Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly what the logic behavior is in 5 literal minutes, and we're going to start a timer right now. But before we go into that, I want to apologize for my glasses. They always give off this stupid glare. I hate it, but just you got to stick with that, I guess. Sorry for that. Well, let's go and jump in right now. So I have a timer here. It's 5 minutes. We're going to start it right now. Let's go. So, number one, what we got to do is we got to go and see how the logic behavior works. So, what is the logic behavior? Okay, so let's go into our pig example, pig character, and go into simply into logic and math. We have the logic gate right over here. So we have the A input, the B input, and the output. So what this is pretty much it's like an electrical switch in many ways. So what they teach on FlowLab here will be used in your life very often. So for example, we click here, we have and, or, and, blah blah blah. If you go to help, you can watch a video here. It will explain everything. But what we're going to be using in this illustration is the AND gate, and it is active when both of the inputs are active. For example, so we have a bunch of graphs here, and what are logic gates used for? Well, they're simply used for like switches mostly, or a kinematic platform, which I have a tutorial on. You can check it out on my channel. It's mostly used for, platforms that go sideways or switches. So switches, it's very popular in switches. And you can always go scroll through these, figure it out how it works. The blue ones are the ones that it will output. That's when it will start outputting. These ones are the neutral ones. Nothing will happen. If it's on, see, if it's in blue, that means it's on. That means it will activate, okay? If that makes sense. Now, let's click OK. Let's go back and let's delete it. Jump into our example. Let's check the time. What time do we have? We have 2 minutes left. So we have go into OK. OK. Now, what we have here is we have two switch. We have this switch, which you have to enable using this crate. And we have this switch, which you have to enable by just simply stepping on it. And the what is it? The door will disappear. The door will activate, or it will just go away. So if we go right now and we simply, you can't really jump over this, but you can. If you just activate this, nothing will happen to the door. The door is still blocked, But if you move the crate over and you move it like this, you jump on it, you go on top of this. I have a trouble with this stupid thing. Oh my goodness. There you go. It disappears. Why does it disappear? Because both of the switches were activated. Now, if you do OR, that means when you press one of the switches, the door will disappear. And if you press other examples, like let's go back to logic here. So I have in the logic here, the logic gate over here. If we press NA and D, so what is it, NA and D? If one of the switches is off and one is on, then it's on. If both of them are on or off, it's on. If it's off and off, it's on. Okay, so that means it's gonna be on. That means the door is gonna disappear if we press this option over here. As we can see, the door disappears and it starts, doing stupid stuff because I've programmed everything to be only using this function. How much time do we have left? 31 seconds. So with that being said, um, you can probably use your own logic gates. You will be able to use your own logic gates, but all you have to do is you have to just read through it. You have to read through it and just play around with it. See here, I press this switch, I press this switch, the door opens. This is how you use the logic gate example. 5 minutes, hopefully. Yeah, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're pretty much done. Okay, so yeah, we're done. Dismiss, whatever. So, with this being said, this is how you use the logic gate. Please subscribe to this channel. If you enjoy the content, I'll be trying to release more videos in the future. Maybe with a shop example, maybe like a shop weapon example, something like that. Still working on that, still thinking of that, how it works. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you and bye.